So, and here is how to fix a faucet. In this way, the thing is that it's linking a little bit. That's linking. We're not linking, and we'll teach you the procedure. We should do it in this way, so everybody can do it at home.
Gracias.
Put it here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, gee. Oh, shit.
Pásamela.
¿Y el Guarel? ¿Dónde está el Guarel? Guarel Bush. ¿Qué tú vas a ver?
Yeah. It's okay. This PVC blue part is in PVC plastic. That's so important. That's so important. With that, we are going just to solve this problem. That's easy. That's so easy.
Yes.
That's good. Alright. That's so important to the process. If the process is just we put too much in all the area where it is linking, and it is going to seal it. That's a wonderful seal. And beside of here, inside also we are gonna